Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app package name and the version code in Play Console. This matters because the store serves versions by code. Next, request the latest APK or app bundle from the developer, or enable Play Console access so you can pull the build. Once done, make sure your device meets the minimum Android version and has sufficient storage. If you sideload, temporarily allow installations from unknown sources. Act now. These prerequisites remove delays and let you fetch the new version immediately. You now retrieve the release artifact, download the AAB or APK from the Play Console, or grab the internally shared build artifact. Then validate the package. Check the app signature matches your key store, confirm the version code increments, and verify target SDK version and permissions. If you are distributing, use a staged rollout or internal testing track to control exposure and monitor crashes. Once validated, install on a test device using a DB or the Play Console tester link. This prevents surprises when the wider audience updates. You finish by promoting the release to production or by incrementally increasing the staged rollout percentage. This reduces blast radius and gives you breathing room. After deployment, actively monitor crash reports, ANR, vitals, and user feedback in Play Console so you spot regressions quickly. If a serious issue emerges, roll back the release or push a hotfix build with an incremented version code and improve telemetry. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the bug on a device with matching Android version and enable verbose logs to pinpoint causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.